woke up with the world on my mind. Coffee's brewing, we're on the grind.
Hello, what's up?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What are you doing? What are you eating? Wow.
I am eating this recipe that you got me obsessed with,
Yeah.
and I think I will have this forever for the rest of my life. Like, this is it for me.
Damn.
Yeah.
Do I fit into the category of baking my own sourdough?
No. No, but, yeah, no,
Wow.
but speaking of sourdoughs, I've always actually wanted to have a sourdough starter. And I think my Instagram
Starter, okay.
yeah, like, so starter is basically what you make. It's the
Yeah, yeah.
base of a starter
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you make
yeah.
or cultivate over the years. It's fermented and
Mm.
you use it eventually, like parts of it, to make sourdough. And I think my algo realizes that I am that person because I keep getting uh, these how to make this, how to make that, how to clean this videos,
Oh,
kitchen hacks,
even I get that.
microwave hacks. Yeah, and so much so that my partner sends me these things.
Yeah.
Key microwave
Oh
hack,
my
fridge
God.
hack. And
Oh
I'm
my
like, bro,
God.
you don't send it to me, you do it yourself.
Yeah, like and my partner on top of this like you will love this video, right? Look at it, it's getting clean. And I'm like, shut the fuck up. Like what? Why? I'm also wearing that today, by the way.
Yeah,
So I'm very excited about it.
looks good.
I'll order one more for you.
Yeah, please, because I'll never remember to order it. I like
Yeah,
another one
should.
also.
Which
There's
one?
another one that I liked in the same website. I'll tell you. There were two that were good.
Yeah. But I don't think I can wear this in Istanbul, no? I'll be banned from the country.
No, but it's in Hindi. No, it's Hindi. I don't think they can read it.
Yeah. Indians there might read.
Maybe.
I mean, we anyways don't have very good terms with them. I don't want to be banned from the country while I'm vacationing.
But you're really going at a difficult time with the war continuing.
Yeah, I know. What to do? Now we planned it, and
Yeah.
it was an afterthought. So, anyway, what are we
Because
doing
even
today?
we wanted to
Yeah.
go somewhere. I'm forgetting in the like we were thinking.
Istanbul,
I thought
in
of
Middle East.
yeah. I was thinking Middle East. I was thinking Seychelles first, but then I was worried because you fly over Middle Eastern
Or
airspace a
something
little
like
bit.
that. Oh, really?
So there are direct flights, of course, but direct flights are Indigo, which means 4.5 hours of thin padding seats.
Yeah, that's
And-
what we had going by Indigo direct flight for Istanbul.
Yeah. So instead of that, if we had taken like an Emirates or something, that would have been via, and there would have been a
Yeah.
layover in Dubai or whatever. So
Yeah, but I didn't want to do a Turkish or a Emirates sort of airlines. I wanted to do an Indian airline. At least it is an Indian airline at the end of the day. Not that I'm patriotic, I don't care, but it's just that it is an airline of the country, and at least they'll not abandon us.
it's
That
a
is my
privatized
hope.
airline. It can abandon you.
Yeah, it is, but
I mean,
at the end of
I
the
trust
day,
only
it is.
Air India sort of in terms of not abandoning.
I don't think Indigo will also abandon, though you never know. I mean, Air India can also, get fucked. So,
True.
anyway, what are we talking about?
We are talking about
Okay, finish your food, yes.
finishing this bite. We're talking about women and their roles
Okay.
and how the idea of a aggressive or an angry young woman does not sell,
Does not sell, right.
right?
Versus
And, like,
how an angry young man really sells.
it has been sold a lot, right?
Yeah, agree.
Right. So yeah, like that is what I think we I mean, I do think we'll have similar views, but I also think there may be like layers to it where we might differ,
Okay.
right? So, let me start with me. I just love watching these women who make.
I thought you were gonna say I am an angry young woman.
No, I am, but honestly, it's not worked for me. Like,
Yeah,
it's
I
not
know.
worked,
It doesn't
like,
work.
not worked career-wise, not worked
Yeah, agree.
at
100%.
home. So now I'm this portrayal of a nice girl. Like, that's what I am publicly, right?
Yeah.
Only my friends who've met me in college know that I can be a BITCH. But everybody else will be like, oh, she's so sweet and she's so fun. Any friend I've made after
Masters, maybe.
after college, actually, not masters also
Ah.
for me.
Which
Because
college?
even in law,
Like law
us-
college.
our college. No, our
Okay.
college. So it's our college law school masters for me. So masters, I made friends, but also now that I think of it, most was superficial. The few that I am in touch with are the ones who still know me a little bit more than others. And of course, same with my same with masters, same with law school, same with masters, same with anybody
Yeah.
else I've met after that. It's truly my inner BITCH that came out in school and then in college with you guys. And so people who don't like me from our group, valid opinion. I trust you guys. I believe in you guys for not liking me, okay? But still hanging out with me. So yeah. Anyway,
You should be grateful to us.
not you, other people, yes.
Yeah, not me for sure.
Okay. So my
But
point
don't
is,
take me for granted. But you can. It's okay.
what do I do
don't
then
care.
if I don't take you for granted?
Yeah, no, please. At least someone takes. Like, you should take me for granted.
Yeah, like we should be able to take each other for granted. This part
I
I'm going
agree.
to edit out, huh, Shats? Don't try to act cool with me. It's making me upset.
No, you can take me for granted. 100%. Do it. No, you shouldn't edit it. I think it's cool. You can take me. I am, as a woman, giving you the agency to take me for granted, which my partner also does not have. So,
Oh, good stuff. Yeah, even I keep telling him. Like, I
Yeah.
try to keep him on his toes. I might leave you
Yeah.
anytime, so you be ready for it, okay?
yeah, exactly.
You know, stuff like that. So,
So-
sometimes as
Yeah,
a joke, I refer to him as my first husband. To piss him off. Starter pack.
Starter
So-
pack. Actually, he fits in a starter pack. I
Yeah,
would
he's a
say.
starter pack. for
He
sure.
is kind of a starter
Yeah.
pack. Mine is like a pack nearing the grave. Oh my
Don't say that about him.
god.
I don't like that about him. You know, I don't
Shut
like
up.
that. I don't like. No, but I'll tell you what happened. You know, the other day I was making fun of somebody. Or no, I was not making fun of somebody when we met for dinner on Sunday. I was saying
Yeah.
something like, "Oh, this person is so old, but this is what he did or whatever he or she did," and then he goes, "What do you mean, old like me?" And I'm like, "Oh shit! I should have not age shamed somebody in front of."
Yeah, exactly.
And I just forgot about You were not there actually. I think you were in the kitchen or
Really?
something.
Uh,
Or you were not there at the table. And then I just looked at hits and I was like, oh shit, not the right place, you know? Not the right place. Like, I genuinely keep like saying the wrong things at the wrong time. I was at,
It's okay.
like, obviously we have friends who are like heavier side,
Yeah.
right? And now that I've gained weight, not so much, but enough for me to feel like, oh, I'm on the heavy
Yeah.
side. But even though physically people may not agree with me,
Hmm.
but then I'm like, oh my god, I've also become fat. Like if I say that in front of somebody who's actually
Yeah.
heavy,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
it's just so insensitive, and I
it
just
is
use
very-
these terms so badly, and
Yeah.
it just doesn't help with whoever already likes me. You know, they will not like me after this.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get back to topic, which is I have always, you know, really enjoyed watching people making things from scratch.
Whoa, okay.
Like, be it, you know, one of those videos where men are in the wild and they are cutting vegetables and meat in the forest. They've made fire from,
Like the stone.
yeah, and then also like they, this is not like I don't see their faces. I'm just seeing their hands at work. So they're cutting onion, cooking this, that, and they're doing it. And I just love watching it, even if it's meat, because I'm a vegetarian. So I would rather avoid, but then I'm okay
So,
with watching it. Because it just,
Sardos.
yeah, and the same thing. I just like watching these women make things from scratch. Oh, my husband wanted ice cream, so I decided to make it from scratch. And then they make it from scratch. And I don't know if they actually make it from scratch.
Yeah.
Right, of course. But I get inspired to make it from scratch.
Oh my
Like, I will also do it. So
God.
Saturday mornings I start and all, like doing things, making noises.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I mean, do you think this is something? Does
Dude.
this attract you too visually?
Dude, it is. So see, a woman with clean, sleek bun and nice makeup and a nice gown, like making sardo and still like at the helm of her beauty and doing all that shit. Sure, very good, very appealing. I like it.
I know
But-
who you're talking about also. In fact, I like watching her. I love the way
And
she
I'll
looks.
tell
I
you,
love what she dresses.
I
like, just-
initially didn't know who she was, and I am not even kidding. I didn't know who she was until maybe 2 months ago who she was, but she used to keep coming on my Discover page. Okay, I wasn't seeing what she's making because honestly I don't care whatever you're making, but I would always see her clothes because as a very I wouldn't say I'm a shopaholic, but someone who really likes fine clothes,
fashion forward person.
fashion forward person, I would stop at that video only to see what she's wearing and what brand she is, selling while doing all of this.
I would only look at the food.
Look at clothes.
I would look at the food.
So for me, the content was more fashion, brand, lifestyle versus food until I started digging and went down the rabbit hole to really understand the narrative behind these kinds of videos.
Yeah, so I've been following.
Do you
This kind of content.
follow her?
No, I don't follow.
Okay.
But actually, I don't think so. I don't know. But I've been following this kind of content for a very, very long time. Like, honestly, I've been seeing it for years, I would say.
Yeah.
And I don't have a problem seeing it. Because
Yeah.
visually, it
It
appeals
is
to me.
appealing. No, it is
Yes.
appealing. Yeah.
Yeah. Except when, couple of weeks ago, there was this conference on, I think, in US.
The one, the 2026 some women conference by Erica Kirk, that one.
Yes.
Yeah.
When that came into the news, that's when I was like,
Yeah.
oh, good, she's doing something after her husband's death, So I was
Turning
happy
Point,
with that.
USA Summit,
Yeah.
June 2026. Yes.
So I was happy with that because apparently it was 1 year after his death and
Yeah,
whatnot.
yeah.
So I was like, okay, nice. But then I saw the speakers. And honestly, I didn't follow it again. But because we saw who was speaking and then other people's commentary on it, that's when I realized what they're talking about at the summit.
Yeah,
and I was
yeah.
like, that is just crazy. If it's coming
Yeah.
from the land of dreams, that is
The
just
American
crazy.
dream.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
in India, we're still struggling with a lot of things.
Yeah,
Right? And then this is
Yeah.
what they're doing over there.
Yeah. No, I completely agree. I mean, some of the statements Erica Kirk and that other girl, Savannah Stones, that 20-year-old girl. So basically promoting the trad wife, biblical sort of interpretation of what a wife should be doing. And I was like, bro, what are you doing? इतनी मेहनत लगी है to reach where we are right now. Why are you taking us back? That was my immediate reaction that Bro, I don't want to go back to the 1800s and bake the dough, wear an apron, and have like a family of 20 children, and all my 20s and 30s are gone in producing like women. Like, I wanted to like pull my hair off my scalp. I was like, can I come into the screen and like do something about this? Oh my god, those statements like triggered me. Like, I got triggered. I'm not even kidding. I really got triggered. And I
No,
was like,
so did I. But then,
Yeah.
over the years, I've become insensitive to stupid decisions and other people's stupid decisions. And but fortunately, the videos that I saw at that point was these guys saying something at the summit,
yeah.
and a lot of people, kids, like younger generation who had come for the summit saying,
Yeah.
no, I don't want to give my right to vote to my husband. So some people I know were saying, I want to give the right to vote to my husband because he can vote for me, I trust him. And some people were saying, no. So there were some people who were not convinced. So I was happy for that, and I was happy that that is the video that was reaching me
Yeah.
as compared to the other videos
Yeah,
which
yeah.
were triggering other people, because I was getting all the
Yeah.
other videos like people not agreeing
all
to
the,
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
But,
getting bad.
Will you give up your vote? Yeah, I also would.
I don't want to give up anything.
Yeah.
Like nothing.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, I will not give up anything.
Same. My vote to my partner, never. Like, never. Because I'm just scared that we will, end up in the helm of capitalism. But that is okay. That's still okay because the work and all. But unaware, I would say. Not that it's not a partner bashing call. Please understand, guys, whoever listens to us. I'm just saying I wouldn't give up my vote to not even my dad at the end of the day, or anyone for that matter. Like, absolutely not. But yeah, that was really scary for me.
In fact, when my 18th
Yeah.
birthday, it was at a club, okay, which had no alcohol because my parents don't drink, so it was without
Yeah,
alcohol,
correct.
but it was at a club.
Hmm.
We, as entry fee, I was telling everybody, I put a bouncer out, and I made everybody put a pens, like ink,
Oh.
not ink, that marker,
The
saying,
voting,
do
yeah,
that
yeah,
voting thing for everybody, because it was my 18th birthday. I can vote,
Cool.
right? Then I got like a check book made for me.
Oh, nice.
And there I wrote like a thank you thing for coming,
Like
because
a-
now I can sign checks.
Yeah.
And then as a return gift, I gave a toy car to everybody because now I can drive.
Drive.
Because I was
Yeah.
so happy I was an adult and I can vote and I
Yeah.
can drive
And
and, I
do
can drive
so
sign
many
checks.
things.
Yeah, although since then it was very difficult for me to get a voter's card because I'm from Assam and we had
Yeah.
NRC going on. So I only
Yeah,
got
yeah,
it when I
yeah.
was officially
Yeah,
24,
Yeah.
which is very late. And then COVID happened.
Yeah.
So then that whole thing, that excitement
Yeah.
was just delayed by then. And
Yeah,
then of
yeah,
course
yeah.
I drove a lot, but I still haven't signed that many checks I thought I would sign.
I wish I could. Only if you were making that content of baking your own bread, woman, you
Then I
would be
would be-
signing those checks right now.
No, I want to receive checks.
You would
I
be
don't wanna-
receiving also.
True.
Both in cash
I'm not
and
receiving
kind.
checks as well. Yeah.
Yeah, if you were making that content.
I'm okay to
sure.
make it. Do you want to make it? Like, should we start doing this every
Dude.
Sunday morning, making sardo?
We failed at baking. You remember that, right? We failed.
It tasted okay. It wasn't that bad.
And you couldn't talk, so you'll have to be a mute baker while doing that.
I think next time what we can do is plan it in such a way that I tell you the recipe in advance, so you know what we have to do.
Yeah.
And it's not like in
I
my
know.
head. Yeah, so that we both know. All this while only I knew, right? You
Yeah.
needed to know as well what I was going to do next.
Yeah.
Henna, that was the problem. So that's clearly a communication problem. That is mine, only mine.
Okay.
Yeah, but recently, you remember I've been telling you about Call Me Daddy podcast because
Yeah,
that's one of my
your favorite podcasts.
used to be, actually, not anymore.
Yeah.
Earlier when there were two friends talking about it,
Yeah.
that's when it was my favorite podcast. So much so that for Halloween I wanted to dress like those girls. In fact, I convinced my friend Domna that she and I should dress like each of these girls, but we both like the other girl, not the one
Who
who's
left.
continuing. Yeah, the one who left.
What is she?
So then we-
Poor thing. Is
She married somebody or something. I don't remember what happened. There was some
Okay.
drama there also, which I'm completely forgetting. But just that, anyway. So the point is, this chick, the one who wears nice clothes, I think her name is
Nara Smith.
Nara Smith. She
Yeah.
came for Call Me Daddy,
Yeah.
and she openly said that she is not a trad wife. She's actually
yeah.
yeah,
I
and
know.
I think she said, "Stop calling me a trad wife."
Yeah, and I was like, she googled what a trad wife means, and I was like, woman, like, what world are you living in, like? So, she's like, okay, wait, let me Google this, like, what trad wife means, like, how dumb are you? Are you? I mean, you're definitely pretending to be that dumb, because how can you not know what it is?
Yeah, I mean, especially when you've been called one. If I have been labeled a psychopath, for example, then I will Google it, right? Like, I will
Yeah.
want to know why, what is the meaning of this term,
Yeah.
and why.
Or what
and then I
are
would
the traits that I have of a psychopath?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
But apparently she did not, even though she's like almost the face of trad wife for me.
Yeah.
Not the
Yeah.
other girl who, not Savannah Stone.
Huh,
This girl
she's
is the
more
face of trad
political.
wife.
Yeah.
Maybe. Plus also
She-
younger, so I feel like that was not my generation.
Savannah Stones is 20. And
This girl
I
is
don't
our
know.
age, I think. Or like closer to 30.
yeah. But, I mean, you are selling motherhood, you are selling, kind of submission, you're selling effortlessness in the household work, and you are also, selling the clean, beautiful look of a woman through the day. Like, it's like Ekta Kapoor ke ghar ki bahu in Indian context, right? जो सोती भी साड़ी और गहने पहन के, like she's wearing all the fucking gold jewelry and sari
Makeup.
and sleeping, wake up with makeup without
Yeah.
like losing any sort of glow on the skin and not getting acne. Like, literally it is, I was just thinking that, oh yeah, you becoming Ekta Kapoor ka bahu, and so you're selling all of that, and then you're saying that you are not a trad wife. And then I was also thinking, so is it then someone who also politically actively talks about submission and the religious context of a traditional wife or womanhood is a trad wife, or someone who's just building a persona around this narrative, is a trad wife? Either is harmful for me, at least. Like,
No,
I think both of
actions
them.
speak louder than words, right? So what she's
True.
building
Hmm.
or what she's portraying is also
Yeah.
harmful. right?
Agree,
Yeah.
100%. And she's influencing a lot of people, especially young generation, because we are 100% sure that the generation after us is the social media generation, and this is what they're watching and this is what they're getting influenced by. And obviously in US and most right-wing countries, the agenda of submission and women having kids, no reproductive agency, submitting to your man is getting pushed. So which means it is getting pushed to people from the age of 15, or maybe earlier if they have phones. Maybe in India kids still don't have phones or social media at 14, 15 in some households, but in the US they do, right? And that's what then most girls end up hearing, listening, watching, and realizing that yeah, this is the right way forward. And I don't know if that really makes sense.
I also think that we should not be worried about trad wife culture in India because it's not, we already are fighting against it.
I agree.
Right.
It's not new to us, yeah.
It's not new to us. It's not something that's left our generation or our society, right?
Yeah.
It's not a cultural phenomena coming back like what's happening in the US or whatever.
Yeah.
What's happening with us is we're trying to still sort of fight it, and people, our generation, are in the middle of fighting it. People just 5 years before us were also in the middle of fighting it. Next generation will now take this step forward. Some of them will work, some of them will not work, but whatever it is, it should be their own choice at the end of the day. It should not
Yeah.
be imposed on you
Yeah.
to do things a certain way because society expects you to.
Yeah, but I honestly, while I understand the idea of choice feminism, I also am a little unsure of that entire narrative because your choice is also influenced, right, by external factors and not just your internal thought process. And someone making that choice at 18 versus at 25, I think the 18 one would be more influenced, and hence I'm worried in India also because,
No, see, there is
and also
always
with the political propaganda of going back to Hindutva, Hinduism, and where woman has to be submissive, have kids. That is the underlying theme of many public speeches that this government has made. So there is definitely
what
a
happened
push also.
recently, especially
Exactly,
with this person, हमारी घर की बेटी
कि
नहीं,
बेटियां,
what is
exactly,
बेटियां,
some
हाँ.
बेटियां ऐसे नहीं करती है, ये हमारा कल्चर नहीं है. I want it to be like, what the
Okay,
fuck?
so it's okay for a man to do it, but it's not
Yeah,
okay for a woman
exactly,
to do it. But why
exactly.
are you justifying us on the basis of gender and not just treating
Yeah.
us as a person?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I don't think, I mean, I wasn't worried about our generation because we came from households where our mothers saw their mothers going through the entire cycle of patriarchy and have evolved a little bit. For my mother, I can say that my mother, when I was 15, she wasn't evolved versus what she is now. So she has evolved in her thought process and has started questioning things in a certain way. And hence I am like that and I'm fighting and all of that. But the generation after us, I mean, with the social media push or the social media availability, I don't know what they'll get influenced with, and do they actually spend that time observing, figuring out things at home with what happens to their mothers or how parents are dealing with situations. I don't know. So I'm worried for India's generation also, plus the political agenda that's getting pushed.
But after the Gen Z protest, how
Yeah.
can you be worried about India's next generation? Like, I'm not worried.
Dude, there are so many people that I know have gotten married before me, who were younger to me, have had kids. They are also, they decided to not work, and I know their families, so I know that they are patriarchal households. Though it is an external observation that I've made, but they are patriarchal households, so I'm a little skeptical is what I'm saying. I'm not 100% confident.
No, but see, everybody is choosing feminism, or everybody choosing the right path for themselves is feminism. Like, every woman choosing the right path for themselves is feminism. The
No,
right
but
to
that is
choose.
choice is
I
also
understand
getting
your
influenced.
choice is getting influenced. I get it.
Yeah.
But honestly, the idea of a choice is not like, oh, you choose to get married at 18, so you failed the test of feminism, and that's
Of
it for
course.
you. You will never be a
Of course.
feminist or whatever.
Of
Because
course, agree.
every choice you make every day, right?
Agree.
Like, for it will be your choice going forward.
yeah. No, I agree.
And that will be you
yeah.
choosing yourself and what is right for you. If you do that,
In fact, the debate around the entire trad wife. So one of the arguments that these trad wives are making is obviously choice, that we decide to be a trad wife and be at home, and the trad wife versus girl boss debate. That is the very big debate. So the trad wives are saying that feminism has only given us hustle, like.
but
And
don't you think it's true?
and you've also made, no, also to add to that, they're saying that you've also made household work low and not give it the importance, which I think I agree to, because household work, care work, while unpaid and unrecognized, it feeds into economy running. I 100% agree. Hustle culture, I'm not sure.
No, but boss babe culture, which is what we grew up with. Okay.
Yeah.
What are we doing? I wake up earlier than my partner. I
Yeah.
make sure the food is in order. I make sure
Yeah.
the house is clean.
Yeah.
The day I don't make sure means 3 days
Nothing
gone,
happens.
because
Yeah,
nothing happens. Like
agreed.
next 3 days, you're going to be working harder, right?
Yeah, of course, of course.
I have to then be. Fortunately, he packs his own lunch and dinner, so that's a good thing. But like,
Yeah.
otherwise, I would have had to pack for him, and then he
Hmm.
goes to work. Then I get ready myself and pack for myself and go to work. So my day started
Same.
before him,
Same.
and in his time, he just gets ready.
Yeah,
My
I
time,
agree.
I'm doing the things
Doing all
around
of
him
this.
to make sure
Yeah.
he gets ready.
Yeah,
And then
but
we
that's
come
a
back
problem
home.
of the society, like,
No,
and
but
the
that's-
state. No, it is society and the state which actually is not enabling women to have the choice in the way it is supposed to be.
No, but
It
that is
is-
also boss babe, right? Because I'm choosing to work and I'm choosing to do housework.
But men also choose to work, and there are some men who also choose to do household work, right? In India, because of patriarchy, the society, and the socialization that we grow up with, we are never told different way of living. Are boys told to make their bed? No, they are not. Which means society is not enabling the choice that feminism has brought to you that you can make.
No, but see, that's the thing. What I'm trying to say is, at the end of the day, boss babe has made women do more things. That, like, if you think trad wife is bad for our generation or feminism in general, I think boss babe was also bad, because what it did was it made us
Yeah.
do double the work and get paid
Yeah.
half for it, because anyway in
Yeah.
the workforce we get paid less than men,
Agree.
right?
Agree.
And then we're also doing homework, like housework,
Agree. Yeah.
as compared to a man who's not helping.
Yeah. Agree.
Mostly
agree.
not helping.
Agree. No,
Right?
I agree to that, and I'm saying that and that's what I'm saying, that while the culture of boss babe came in the early 2000s, and now the trad wife picked up 5 years ago, both of them in their own sort of context might be right, but the fault is at the society and the state level to enable women having choice. And this is one of the debates that I was actually reading, which did say that be a trad wife or be a girl boss, you don't need to have those sort of labels, versus what you need is state providing good care for children, state providing more medical facilities, state providing this, society enabling the sensitization towards care work, etc. That I think that I did agree to when I read that debate, that I can be labeled as whatever I want, it is my choice, etc. But who enables it to happen is also a question. That's what I
No,
think.
I also think that trad wife is like a way of fighting back boss babe.
Girl boss,
Of
yeah.
course, girl boss, yeah. And the point with that is, if you're just portraying yourself to be a trad wife and then actually
Making
you have
money.
this making a business out of it, then
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
different. That's not what you should be doing. That is incorrect. But if it's like, in my opinion, but if you're actually drawn to that, it's okay, provided, because boss babe culture is it's too much hustle and not worth it in my opinion. So I mean, if I could skip one thing, I would skip one thing, right? But currently I'm doing two things.
Yeah.
True. And
Yeah,
I
that's
think we
true.
should talk about it more at a
Yeah.
later date.
We
'Cause
should,
I'm
we
late.
should. No, I get it. And I think till then you can enjoy watching a lot more carbs on your social media and feel happy, because I'm sure you're not eating any.
Yeah, that is true actually. I'm not.
Maybe
The
that's why
most
you're
carb I'm
liking
eating
it.
It's possible. Although I think
Yeah.
all of this makes me hungry also, because that book Butter
Yeah.
also made me hungry.
It did? Oh man.
It did, because whenever she would describe
Yeah,
food, I would be
describe,
like,
yeah,
what?
I know,
I
yeah,
want
I know,
soy
I know.
sauce, rice, and butter. just like
Dude,
how she
yeah.
wanted.
I was like, oh my god, I need to make this, or I am traveling to Japan tomorrow to just eat this. Like,
Yeah, to have this special butter from this
Yeah,
place, milk
yeah.
from this place specifically.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, see you later.
Bye, girl boss. Bye.
Woke up with the world on my mind.